Hello and welcome to Xtalks Vitals, home to the latest life science, medical device, and food industry news. I'm Sonia Hunt. Leading medical technology company Becton Dickinson has teamed up with CerTest Biotec to develop a monkeypox test to help in efforts to monitor the global monkeypox outbreak. Here's Aisha Rashid with the story.
Thank you for the introduction, Sonia. Becton Dickinson, or BD, and CerTest Biotec, which is based in Spain, have announced they will be collaborating to develop a molecular diagnostic test for the detection of the monkeypox virus. The companies say the goal of the partnership is to design a diagnostic test that can help advance the understanding of the global spread of the disease. BD will help develop and validate CerTest's ViaSure monkeypox molecular test on its BD Max open system reagent suite. BD's BD Max system is a fully integrated, automated nucleic acid extraction and real-time PCR platform that generates results in less than 3 hours. There are currently no commercially available test kits for the detection of the monkeypox virus. As of June 23rd, the World Health Organization has received reports of over 3,200 confirmed cases of monkeypox and 1 death. Monkeypox has symptoms similar to smallpox, but less severe. The smallpox vaccine can be used to protect against monkeypox infection, and according to the World Health Organization, the vaccine is 85% effective against it. Back to you, Sonia.
Thank you, Aisha, for that story. That's it for today's show. Visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and click the link in the description below to find out more about our featured life science webinar for this episode, addressing the complexity of decentralized and hybrid clinical trials. Join us again for all your life science, medical device, and food industry news on xtalks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click the notification button to stay tuned for more.